Hello friends, today is my first vlog and you can see I have just woken up and my situation, my condition is like this. I have not combed my hair.
मनुष्य लग रहे हो खौफनाक डकैत
In my first vlog, I have nothing to do, no activity, nothing to do in my vlog, just talking and talking. As you can see, my eyebrows are not set, my hair are not set, and I have not done anything for my face since 2 months. I clean my face every 2 weeks with some products. I will again freshen up my face and you will see me exactly change as you are seeing me right now. I'm looking.
अल्लाह माफ करे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो मत करो
I'm making vlogs just because I'm curious about making it. I don't know how to make vlog. I have never made it. But I will upload my videos daily. in those videos, I will do nothing. But it's still I will upload my videos because I like vlogging. And you guys please suggest me what to include in my vlog and how to improve my vlogging. And I will not beg you for like. It's fine if you don't like my channel because I'm not here to make you like me. I'm here just because I'm curious about vlogging, how people use YouTube and how much fun it really. Basically, I'm just here for exploring the new side of my life which I have never done. So this is my first experience. I hope I will be good at it as time passes. Now let's see where it will take me. Hello friends, it's another morning and I went to Polar yesterday and look how am I looking now. Please write in comments that how am I looking, how is my look, how's my hair. You have seen me, the real me, and after getting my this look, you should see me. This is also real me, but this is freshen up me. Morning. Oh, sun kissed. So it's been another morning and our guests are coming today and I have to cook something for them. I'm thinking I should make shami kebab because I make good shami kebab. I would try to share the recipe with you guys. So let's move ahead with the vlog. I like to get half layer with my hair because my hair length is good. I don't want to waste it, so I gave half layer and I like it very much. And so many people want to know that how much I have paid for this. So the interesting thing is that जहाँ से मैंने ये कट करवाया है, she's my relative and she never took a single penny in her profit. So you should guess that how much I have paid for this, because when I will tell you and you will know I have paid for this, you will get amazed. You will not believe how much I have paid for this cut. Generally, people pay for this cut is something around something around 1200 or maybe 2000, but I have paid. I should tell you the interesting thing that I like parrots, and I have 2 parrots in my house. Let me introduce you with my parrots. I have bent my hair. Okay, so let me introduce you with my little 2 friends. Number 1, this is cocktail parrot, but I call her Bajji because her name is Bajji. Oh wow. Oh, poor tail. It's broken. I don't know how, but it's broken. Oh, my little friend. Okay, so the next is my little green beautiful Ollie. Her name is Ollie, and she's with me. जब मैं अपने घर में होती थी तो ये पैरट मेरे पास होता था. उसके बाद माई मॉम डोंट लाइक पैरट्स, और मैं अपनी जॉब पे जाती थी या बाहर चली जाती थी तो ये घर में अकेला रहता था. एंड इसको इसी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा एंजाइटी है, और उसी वजह से ये बहुत गुस्सा करता है मुझ पे. तो आई थिंक मुझ पे नहीं करता, लेकिन कभी कभी बाइट कर देता है. लेकिन ये बाकी लोगों पे और बाकी पैरट्स को बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है ना धौंस दिखाता है अपना. मतलब शी इज़ अ लिटिल डॉन. वो इस वजह से, बिकॉज जब मैं बाहर चली जाती थी तो ये बहुत ही अकेला रहता था, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता था कि मैं इसका प्रॉपरली सफाई पे ध्यान रख सकूं. सो माई मॉम, जब मेरी मॉम ने विज़िट किया तो शी लुक्ड एंड सेड मैं इसको अभी लेके जा रही हूँ. एंड व्हाट शी डिड, पहले तो उन्होंने यहाँ पे हमारे इस घर में रखा उसको. देन व्हाट शी डिड, शी सेंट Ollie to my cousin, and I was crying. I was very worried कि वो उसका ऐसे ख्याल रख पाएंगे, नहीं रख पाएंगे, क्या करेंगे. And then time to time I had to know कि Ollie क्या कर रहा है. And then I got satisfied कि चलो ठीक है, he is in good hands. वो सफाई से रह रहा है, and खाना पीना उसको सही से मिल रहा है. See, they are fighting. ये देखो Ollie डॉन में अभी बात. तो मिलते हैं आपको थोड़ी सी देर के बाद. Hello friends, so this is me. हमारे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, and I'm ready. You can see this is my watch. So tell me, how am I looking? आज बड़ा मज़ा आने वाला है. जब भी मेहमान आते हैं घर में तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज़ अ फन. हम तैयार होते हैं, वैसे तो मौका नहीं मिलता घर में तैयार होने का, बट जब मेहमान आते हैं तो वी हैव अ चांस टू गेट रेडी एंड हैव फन. So write in your comments, how am I looking? Thank you. Meet you soon. Let me show you my outfit. Please write your comments and tell me how am I looking. Hello friends, it's been a long and tough day. I was busy whole day attending our guests, so it was lots of fun and lots of joy today. So this was my today's vlog, and inshallah we will meet in our next vlog. So this was my today's vlog. So if you guys like this vlog, then please thumbs up, and if you don't like, then you don't like. But yes, you should encourage me in the comment box that what should I do in my vlog. Next time we will meet you soon, inshallah. Bye bye.